Subject pronouns. So these are a very specific type of pronouns that are basically used as the subject of a sentence. So subject pronouns. A pronoun used as the subject of a sentence. Make sure that you are copying all of this down in your notebook. Here are the subject pronouns. There are 7. I and we are both first person. You is second person. That can be used as singular or plural. He, she, it, and they are all third person. So after writing those down, I want to challenge you. I want you to write a sentence for each of the subject pronouns in your notebook, which means you're writing 7 sentences. 1 for I, 1 for we, 1 for you, he, she, it, and they. So come to class with 7 sentences written. Subject complements we learned about back in the noun section. So just as a reminder, a subject complement follows a linking verb, or a being verb, and it renames the subject. So when you're talking about using a pronoun, subject complements have to be a subject pronoun. So I'd like you to copy these 2 sentences. You're going to underline the subject pronoun in the sentence and then say if it's a subject or a subject complement. You can just write S or SC. The first one, my class and I went on a trip to the Science Museum. Underline the subject pronoun. Tell me if it's a subject or a subject complement. The pronoun is I, and that is the subject of the sentence. You can get rid of my class and the sentence would just be I went on a trip to the Science Museum. Second sentence, the students who forgot their lunches were Irene and he. The pronoun was he, and that one is a subject complement. It follows the linking verb were. For each of these sentences, you do not have to write the sentence, but I do want you to say what the pronoun is and if it's a subject or subject complement. So number 1 is it, 2 is they, 3 is he, 4 is you, 5 is I. Number 1 was the subject, 2 is the subject, 3 was the subject complement following the linking verb was, 4 is a subject, 5 is the subject complement following was.